Hey guys! Today I'm gonna learn a ghetto bird. I hope. So a ghetto bird is a hard flip, late backside 180. I literally just hurt my back just right there. So I guess I'm gonna do some hard flips. What a hard flip like a boss! Now I gotta do a backside 180. You might be asking yourself the same question I am. How and why would you combine those two things? I don't know, Chris Chan, why would you do that? I'm gonna land it first try. That's it, I'm just one try, we're done. Because I kind of fear for my back. Fear my back. First try, last try. Second try. You know what I think I'm gonna do on this, honestly, is just cheat it. Just gonna cheat it so bad. Let me show you how. So all I have to do now is put the kickflip in, right? Same thing. Is that cheater? Or is that the trick? These pants are just not doing me well today. Hard flip, backside 180. So you have no idea how hard it is to do this when Lance is cracking jokes in the background. Lance? Lance? All right, if I don't land this one right now, you're fired. Well, so long, Sally. It's so weird because I have to like, oh, I'm already over this trick. Okay, Aaron. I have a feeling I'm going to land and my butt is going to be fully exposed. There we go. I got it figured out. Like I have to do the backside 180 as I'm hard flipping. Upper body, shoulders, head, mental, mind, body, spirit. Let me harness the power of Chris Chan. Okay, that's it. No ifs, ands, or buts. Oh, we got it! I'm gonna have to watch that in the slow-mo to verify if we actually got it. I'm gonna give it 3 more tries just to see if I can do it. Maybe we'll play a game of how many times can I do it after I landed it once the first try to land it maybe 3 times, maybe 2, maybe none, maybe 1. Oh, that's so close. I usually have this great ability to, if I do it once, just to do it again. Usually, not always. It's one of those not always days, I guess. Okay, right here. Should I be true to my word and end it? Last one. Woo! There we go. We got it. We got it. I think we got it. So guess what? Thanks a lot for watching. That trick is fully covered in Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 6. Check it out now. It will help you a lot. It's really incredible. Please subscribe. We're making lots of videos every day. We hope you guys like it. If you have any suggestions, leave us a comment. And please click that like button if you liked this video. We appreciate that. You guys are the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.